Two giants in email marketing automation, ActiveCampaign versus Kit. Both promise to supercharge your business, but which one really delivers? On the left, we have ActiveCampaign, known for its advanced automation and robust features. On the right, Kit, your AI-powered marketing assistant designed for simplicity and Shopify integration. Let's skip the buzzwords and focus on what actually matters to you. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. So here's how we're going to break things down. We're looking at price, automation features, integrations, e-commerce power, how easy they are to use, the kind of reporting and analytics you get, and, of course, the whole support ecosystem. Ready? Let's dive in. All right, let's start with price. First up, ActiveCampaign. Now, it's what you'd expect from a mid-tier SaaS. Honestly, you get some pretty advanced stuff for the money, but I won't lie. If you start growing fast or need a ton of seats, it can really stack up quick. Okay, moving on to Kit. The nice thing here is that it's actually free for Shopify users, and you're not paying any extra subscription. The catch? You might need a few Shopify apps to unlock more advanced stuff, which of course can add up. But straight up, Kit totally wins on price for most folks just starting out. Moving on. Automation and features. ActiveCampaign is an absolute beast here. You get this crazy visual automation builder, super deep segmentation, and all kinds of A/B testing. It's one of those tools people rave about once they get the hang of it. Downside? Bit of a learning curve for beginners. And then we have Kit. Think of it more like, hey, do you want to automatically send a thank you message or quick Facebook ad? That's about the level it's at. It handles the basics, but nothing wild, really. So, honestly, ActiveCampaign grabs the win for anyone who wants next-level automations. Okay, let's chat integrations. ActiveCampaign? Man, this thing just plugs into almost everything. E-commerce, CRMs, membership sites, you name it. I'm not saying you'll never need to touch a Zapier again, but maybe a lot less often. The flip side, though, if you want to link up more complicated stuff, get ready for some technical tinkering. Kit, meanwhile, is like, hey, we work super close with Shopify, and a little with Facebook and Instagram. So it's laser-focused on that ecosystem, which is great if you don't want to deal with extra tech headaches. But seriously, if you want to connect beyond Shopify, ActiveCampaign runs away with it. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that Kit actually started as a standalone startup before Shopify bought it in 2016? Kind of wild how it's become so tightly integrated with Shopify now. On the e-commerce side, ActiveCampaign is really strong, like abandoned cart recovery, product feeds, and all the nerdy e-commerce automations marketers love. It works with Shopify or WooCommerce, but setup is not for the faint of heart. Switching to Kit, though, this is basically Shopify's little helper, right? It was made for online sellers. You want product suggestions, Facebook or Insta posts, quick ads? It does that with just a couple of clicks. Sure, it's basic, but it nails what most beginner store owners actually need. So when it's all about Shopify e-commerce, Kit honestly takes this round. Let's talk about ease of use for a minute. ActiveCampaign's got a modern interface and great docs, but if you're not already a marketing nerd, it can be a lot. Some people see that dashboard and just nope out. On the flip side, Kit is stupidly simple. It's basically a chatbot. You tell it what you want in regular language, and there's barely any marketing yada yada to deal with. The flip side? If you want anything fancy, you're out of luck. But for most people, Kit is going to feel a lot friendlier. All right, reporting and analytics. ActiveCampaign is for data geeks. You get advanced reports, see which automations work, check the nitty-gritty of your e-commerce tracking. The caveat? It can actually be pretty overwhelming if you're running a small shop, and some people just want the basics. Now, Kit. It gives you basic numbers, nothing crazy, no deep dives or custom stuff. If you just want a quick check-in, that's all here, but yeah, not much more. For analytics, ActiveCampaign comes out on top. No surprise. And finally, support and ecosystem. ActiveCampaign's got 24/7 chat and email, tons of articles, and active community. Depending on your plan, you might have to wait a bit longer, but overall, it's solid. Kit, on the other hand, relies mostly on Shopify's documentation. You get really nice onboarding, But if you need big help, you're heading to Shopify support, not Kit's own folks. So if you want a wider safety net, ActiveCampaign is going to be the better bet. So if you look at everything, price, features, integrations, e-commerce action, and all that, it's kind of clear where these two shine and where they fall short. The radar chart just drives home how ActiveCampaign rules for automation junkies, while Kit is super friendly for Shopify newbies. So, final thoughts. ActiveCampaign is honestly perfect for people who want to do some serious, nerdy, advanced marketing. If you want deep automation and analytics, this is your jam. But if you're all about just getting your Shopify store set up quick, sending out some basics, and not getting lost in marketing lingo, Kit is the easy winner. Go with the one that matches your vibe. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.